Have you installed Angular? Have you checked your Angular version? Anyone have any issues? Yes. Okay. Fine. So Angular is there. So Angular is working on your, means you checked the version of Angular. Then now we can start building Angular application. So yesterday we learned how to install Angular, how we can install Angular. Now today we will see how to create an Angular application and what is the basic infrastructure, right? How it looks like, works. Technically, when we are dealing with Angular, the first important, sometimes what happens is you install Angular versions, and later we need to upgrade the Angular versions. So how to upgrade the Angular versions, I will tell you. So because sometimes what happens is you install Angular, and even when you install Angular, you will not get the latest version because already some version may be running in your machine. That is for the people who already know Angular, means already using Angular, right? That is the point. So if you are already aware of Angular and you are working on Angular, sometimes you may be using the Angular older versions. So that's the reason it is very important for the people who already installed Angular to upgrade Angular version. How you can upgrade Angular version, right? Right. Actually, to update the Angular version, so you have to use, that means install Angular, that I already told you. So npm install Angular, right? npm install -g @Angular /CLI. It will get the latest version. You can additionally add latest also. If already you have Angular, so how you have to upgrade to latest. So how you have to upgrade to latest? If you already have Angular, how we have to update to latest version? So if already you are having an Angular and you want to update to the Angular version, higher version, then usually you have to use upgrade command, so that you can upgrade to the latest features. So in order to upgrade, actually what you have to do is, first you have to uninstall the Angular existing version. So if you already having it, uninstall the Angular version if you are already having it, right? And what we need to do is you need to update to the new version. Generally update command is enough, so you can upgrade, right? So sometimes what happens is the older versions are not removed. So that's the reason what we have to do is you need to first clean up the existing version. Clean up the existing version means you have to just write an option npm. So that means first point is uninstall Angular existing version. So that is npm install. So uninstall -g Angular CLI, right? After that, what you have to do is, so ng, you have to ng clear cache. So cache, ng clear cache. So, and ng cache verify, and then ng upgrade. You have to use the option ng update. So ng update. So you have to use this command to install the latest versions and update to the latest version. So that is from older version to new version. No need to worry about this. After installing, I will show you. Later, I will tell you how do we upgrade, right? How do we upgrade, right? Because now latest 10 pre-release also available. Then the 10 pre-release, we don't need that because it is not a stable version. You keep with 9. Later towards the end, I will tell you how to upgrade to the new versions, right? You don't need to worry about this, right? So actually we have to update. So we have to say ng update, and we have to write, so angular slash, so core, angular slash core, and angular slash CLI. We need to update both versions, right? Update is enough, right? So you have to clear cache, you have to update. So that will update to the new version. So no need to worry about these at the current stage. Why? Because so you are first time using, then you can simply install Angular CLI. Okay. After doing that, the next step is, already how do we check the version? I told you. So you can check the version ng -- version of Angular. Okay. So in the command prompt, so ng -- version. Very important, make sure that you have used -g while installing. Sometimes you people miss this, but still Angular is installed. Then it will be installed in the local drive. If you create projects in some other drive, then you will have a problem. That's the reason, make sure that you have installed by using the option -g. Now this is the Angular version. So 9.1.1, that is the Angular version. It is Node version, and you can see we are using Ivy. I told you Ivy. Ivy is available from 9 version onwards, and these are the Angular library related versions, right? So once the Angular is ready, now we need to understand how to install, how to create a new project in Angular, the project infrastructure, how the project looks like, how to start with. So how do we create a project in Angular? So next step, you have to understand, so creating a new Angular project. How do we create a new Angular project? So creating Angular project, so what we will do is, we will go to our computer, any drive. Okay. In this, I will add a